trading. So right now I'm looking at the trading view charts. I do trade options as well as Forex a little bit. Not an expert on it. The trading view stream. So stocks I'm looking at today, usually looking at Google, some chip stocks. Curse around this time, I always look at CNBC and see what the market is doing. The market is green today, so that means stocks should be going up, but the market has been so crazy, and all this stock market stuff, it's all a game. It's, the rich elite, the bankers controlling everything and getting us retail investors, getting us regular folks to spend our money. And then as they see us spending our money one way, they quickly reverse things. So once you know that it's all a game that they're playing with you, you kind of know how to go about your day. And the method I do with option is pretty much scalping. I just kind of scalp maybe like $1 at the most. Whether the stock goes up $1, goes down $1, I still make money either way. So usually when you see these green, usually at open at 9:30 when the market opens, everything should shoot up. So at that time, in the first 5 minutes, I usually get in, try to ride that wave. But since everybody sees this, everybody's saying that Dow futures rise, everybody's going to think the same thing. The market's going to be up today. And what the market's going to do is going to quickly reverse, probably around 10, 9:45, 10-ish. I'm thinking the market is going to reverse, or it could be that it's going to keep going. It could be the right, like, all right, the market can't keep going up. It can't keep going up. People are going to start buying puts like me, and then they're going to see a lot of people buying puts, and then they're going to keep the market going up. So you got to kind of play the game either way. I'm going to put my stop losses in, make sure I don't risk a lot of money, and we can see. So usually with these Dow, these futures, this NASDAQ, these tech stocks usually rise up. And let's see where Google is today. So pre-market, we can see Google up at 95.33. So it is up pre-market, up almost $1 for where it closed at 94.58 yesterday. So it'll keep going up. So it probably go up. I'm looking at this 96. I'm looking around 96. If it breaks 96, then it'll go up to 97. And then it'll quickly drop down from 97. Or it could go all the way up. What is this? Is this the weekly chart? It's a monthly. Okay, so it could go back up to where it was last week. Back up to $1, but I doubt it. It's probably going to hang out around at 97 before it drops back down. So that's what I'm looking at. That's just kind of a thought process. If any of you guys were interested, in stocks, how you read charts, that's just kind of a brief synopsis of kind of what I do. It's just a bunch of numbers, and you bid on the stocks going up and down, just like with options. And it's reading charts and knowing levels of resistance, levels of support, and kind of making educated guesses. That's pretty much all you're doing. And then, not trying to risk all your money and trying to have more wins than losses, baby. But usually, past couple of weeks, I've been pretty successful, making about $100, $150 a day with my small account. My account only has around $1,800 in it. So I'm not trading. I'm not, like I said, a full-time trader, big-time day trader. I just try to trade a little bit, try to make a little bit of money. You can easily make, like I said, I make that $100 within, 30 minutes. So you'll see me get started around 9:30. I'm gonna come back and then we can see how much I can make before 10. I do have a Amazon call that I held from yesterday. Not sure you can see that Amazon call. It's blurry. But I got an Amazon call and I'm holding from yesterday. So this is called swing trading, when you hold stocks for a week or two. So stocks was kind of went down towards the end of the day, and then it started going back up. So I'm guessing that today the market will be green, at least at open. So for the first 10-20 minutes, the market should be shooting up, and that's why I'm guessing my option to do a call. Call means it's going up, so I'm going to be going up on this call as well, and hopefully you can get to the $102 mark. So if you pay attention on March 30th, Thursday, March 30th, and check the price where Amazon is at open, and then hopefully you can get to over $102. If it does, then I should be able to make $200. And I will show you, hopefully I can show you all that. A lot of times I forget to take screenshots before I close out, but I'm trying to get better at that, be more just transparent with you guys. All right, later.